Hey everyone! If you're tapping into the world of Amazon selling, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into Amazon Seller Central and sharing some insider tips on how to supercharge your sales. First off, let's start with Amazon Seller Central. This is your command center. From managing inventory to keeping an eye on your sales performance, it's crucial to understand how to navigate this space effectively. Make sure your product listings are top-notch, high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and the right keywords can make all the difference. Now, on to advertising. Amazon offers a powerful tool called Amazon Advertising. This is where you can really get your products to stand out. Utilize sponsored products to boost visibility. Remember, more visibility equals more potential sales. It's all about getting your products in front of the right eyes. Make it a point to regularly review your advertising reports. These insights are gold when it comes to refining your strategies. Lastly, let's talk about boosting those sales. Bundling products can create more value for your customers and increase your average order size. Also, don't underestimate the power of seasonal promotions. Tailor your offers around holidays or special events to catch the shopper's eye. And always encourage reviews. Positive feedback can significantly influence buying decisions. That's it for today. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a more successful Amazon seller. Dive in, use these strategies, and watch your sales grow. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.